I wanted to give you a short video on my complete keto and intermittent fasting kit. This is my most comprehensive kit, and it's for the person that is all in and wants to maximize their results. It comes with a lot of free bonuses, and these are brand new. These are courses, and you'll really enjoy these courses. I put a lot of time into it, and it's very professionally done, and you're going to have a lot of knowledge from doing these courses. The first free bonus is on vitamin D, the most important vitamin. Next one is on potassium, the most important electrolyte, and you're going to find out why. The third free bonus is the course that covers the gallbladder essentials. You're going to learn how important the gallbladder and the bile that is in the gallbladder is, and all the things that can go wrong with it, and what you need to do to make sure it's very, very healthy. I also created an individual course on each of the body type, the adrenal body type, the thyroid body type, the ovary body type, and the liver body type. You're going to learn all about it, exactly what to do for your specific body type. And so the cost of all these bonuses would normally be $179, but you get those for free when you get the kit. The cost of the entire kit is $349, so you're saving $179. What's in the kit? Well, you're going to get my vitamin D K2 product. I recently upgraded this product. I added in magnesium, zinc. I added in a small amount of bile salts for the absorptive factor, as well as a little bit of MCT oil powder, because anytime you take a fat-soluble vitamin, you want to take it with a oil to increase the absorption. So this is a very popular and powerful product because anytime you take vitamin D3, you also want to take K2. And it's also in the right ratio, 10,000 IUs to 100 micrograms of K2. And the type of K2, it's the MK7, which is a natural version of vitamin K2, but they both work together. So this is a really great product. Number two, my wheatgrass juice powder. It's certified as organic. It's grown in an ancient seabed, which is an old ocean in Utah. So you have this incredibly fertile soil that feeds this grass. It grows about 6 inches. They cut the grass, they grind it real fast, and it's quickly turned into powder at low temperatures, nothing to exceed 106 degrees. So you retain all these powerful enzymes. And so this is a super concentrated phytonutrient product on steroids. And so it's not a wheatgrass powder, it's a wheatgrass juice powder. So they take the powder from the juice, so it's super concentrated. Number three, nutritional yeast. This is the best source of your B vitamins. It also has amino acids as well as trace minerals naturally occurring in nutritional yeast. When you buy nutritional yeast from the health food store, they usually enrich it with synthetic vitamins. The only thing that I added in this product is a natural vitamin B12, but I did not add any synthetic anything. Number four, trace minerals enhanced. This is an upgraded product where I added additional trace minerals in higher amounts, primarily to give it more zinc and copper, so that way you can take it to support your immune system and other things as well. This is an awesome product. It's very, very clean. They're plant-based trace minerals, and you'll feel better when you take them. Number five, electrolyte powder. This is probably my most popular product. If you're going to do keto, you're going to need electrolytes. And these electrolytes are very unique in that you're taking 1,000 milligrams of potassium per serving size, a good amount of magnesium, some calcium, sodium, chlorides. The sea salt is Himalayan sea salt, not just regular sea salt, because regular sea salt has microplastics, okay? Also, I put in additional trace minerals, as well as a small pinch of stevia to make it slightly sweet. I combine the wheatgrass juice powder with the electrolyte powder in the shaker bottle, fill it up with water, shake it up, and drink it in the morning. If you take the electrolyte powder right before you go to bed, you may find that you're going to urinate a little bit more because these electrolytes, especially potassium, get rid of excess fluid. So I would take this in the earlier part of the day. All right, number six, cod liver oil. What's unique about cod liver oil is that this product is the first of its kind as far as taking the oil and turning it into a powder. And the reason I wanted to do that is because when you have fish oil or cod liver oil, they put in these little pearls, which sometimes have additional chemicals that you don't want. And they could even have certain plastics in there. So I put this powder in a vegetarian capsule to keep toxins out of this product. And this cod liver oil is from wild-caught fish. Number 7, gallbladder formula. Another very important formula to support a healthy gallbladder, but not just the gallbladder, the stomach, the pancreas, because it has purified bile salts, as well as enzymes to help you digest, as well as additional herbs to thin the bile through the ducts. A lot of people enjoy this one to prevent and handle bloating. All right, number 8, keto energy. It used to be called mitochondrial energy, but for most people that was a confusion, so I changed it to keto energy. It's a very high quality product by giving you several types of vitamin B1 in different forms. One of the forms is very bioavailable. It's awesome. It's very, very expensive. It was like $2,500 per kilogram, but I had to have it in this product because of what it can do for you. So it helps the mitochondria make more energy. And these B vitamins and other nutrients are in a blend of a multivitamin mineral product that all comes from food. So this could be a multivitamin mineral product as a standalone product, but you're going to find when you take it, when you exercise, you're going to have a lot more energy. All right, number 9, cruciferous food. This product has all organic ingredients, even though it's not certified yet as organic. All the ingredients are organic and they're freeze-dried. And so this is a blend of cruciferous vegetables with additional things like organic freeze-dried garlic, turmeric, which is not cruciferous, but it's a really good plant. It also has sea kelp, which is organic and freeze-dried. And I also put in some other things like asparagus. So it's a really great product to support a healthy liver. Number 10, this is my book, my big book. It's called The Healthy Keto Plan. This will give you all the information you need to know in detail, all the questions. This has taken me a long time to write. I hope you appreciate it because I put a lot of time into it. Number 11, The Healthy Keto and Intermittent Fasting booklet. This is a short book that you can get through in about 45 minutes. I wanted you to read this one first to get the basics, to get started, and then you can take your time with this book right here. But this book has a lot of pictures, and so does this one as well, but this one actually is very, very A to B of what you should be eating. All right, and last thing, you're gonna get a shaker bottle. It's an awesome shaker bottle that has no toxins in it, so you can actually use it with your products and carry them around with you. All right, there you have it. This is the biggest kit that I have. It comes with some really cool bonuses. Check it out. I put the link down below.